my HP laptop, which I occasionally use on the move, quite often use at home. And one of the things that I've several times nearly done is left the power supply to it plugged in when I'm working at the night shelter or something. And of course, if I'd left it there and hadn't finally remembered to collect it before leaving for home, I would have fairly rapidly run out of charge on my laptop after a few hours operation. So I decided to take the plunge and buy myself a spare power supply. It's almost identical to the one that comes with my computer. It plugs into the socket on the end of the computer there. So if I now plug it into an extension lead here, plug the cloverleaf adapter into here. Yes, you can see the little light there's lit up to tell me that my laptop is on charge. If I open it up, turn it on, there we go. There we are, it's telling us it's plugged in and charging, and it's fully charged in fact. So I can unplug that now. And the symbol, the ISA symbol has changed, it's removed the little squiggle there that told you it was plugging in. Right, so now it says 99% remaining, so if I plug it back in again. Yeah, there we are, the little plug symbols come back up there. So it works perfectly well, same size as my old one. So I'm going to put this in a drawer in my office, so if I do leave the power supply somewhere, I'm okay until I recover it from wherever I left it.